Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Budgeting and Savings with V. I'm Vonda Shourn, and on today's episode, we are talking about how to borrow money fast from Cash App. You stay to the end because I have a bonus tip, a guaranteed way to be approved to borrow that cash from Cash App. Guys, they are dropping something new, but have dropped something new. I don't know if you've seen that feature on your phone or on your app, but definitely you should be checking it out to see if you can borrow that moolah. If you get in a tight bind or something happens unexpectedly in between paydays and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so definitely be on the lookout for it in your app. Now, before you get upset, hey, I don't have that feature, this is still testing, okay? They're still testing. So if you see me looking over here more, that's because my notes are over there. So I don't want to forget anything or omit or anything, because this program, at the time of recording this in August of 2022, this is a brand new feature. It's only like 90 days old. So it is fresh, hot off the press. Okay. So again, this started in June of 2022. Okay, at the time of recording, it's a short-term loan, but they are still testing, so it's still in the pilot process, or for a better word, it's still in the beta testing, as they said. And so I am one of the people that are able to test out this feature, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's really cool. Okay, it's really cool. So stay tuned, because I'm going to drop all the details how it works. You ready? I'm ready. All right. So it's a short-term loan. Like I said, it's still testing. Okay, so if your feature is not on your phone, don't get upset, because again, it's new. All right, so you can borrow money from them. It is you'll pay them back in weekly installments for up to 4 weeks. Okay, so you borrow now, but you'll pay back every week. Okay, it's only a 5% flat fee. So let's just say they allow you to borrow $100. 5%. Oh, 5% of $100 is what? I'll wait. $5, right? So that's not bad. They not trying to get rich, and they are definitely not doing like the rest of them loan sharks. Okay, because if you go to a payday loan or one of these other apps I'm not gonna mention in this video, then they want their money plus an arm, a leg, another arm. You feel me? So it's only a 5% flat fee, guys. That's it. Right now it's in the US only. So all my people that watch me out the country, hold on. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, hold on. So right now, let me tell you what states it's in. Okay, all right. So right now it's in the US. It's in California, Iowa, Kansas, Florida, Texas, that's where I'm at, Washington, and Utah. Okay, now it could possibly be some more, but at the time of this recording, that is what I was told. Okay, so definitely check your app, check your state, check with your friends and family, to see. Okay, now let's talk into how you get approved and how you can get this feature. Okay, so if they have given you the opportunity or extended the opportunity for you to have their debit card, definitely go ahead and get that, because a little birdie told me that your chances are greater if you have their Cash App card. Now, I wanted to feel fancy and smancy, so I got the black one, Cash App black card. But definitely look in your app. They are offering, lots of people have been for years, their card. So definitely go ahead and get the card. It usually they say 14 business days, but you'll get the card in between 3 and 7 days, Monday through Friday, sometimes on Saturday, because nowadays that mail is running every day. Okay, I'd be looking outside like it's Sunday and you're running mail, but they're running mail every day. But Don't hold me to that. You'll get it in 3 to 7 days. I know that much, okay? Excluding Saturdays and Sundays. All right. Now, get their card, right? That's one. All right. Now, the loans are ranging between $20 to $450. That's a pretty lengthy range, okay? So definitely check it out and see what you can borrow. Okay, I'll keep going before I start rambling. But the more activity you have on your Cash App card, meaning the more that you use the Cash App card, the more money you just have sitting there in your account, the more money you receive, the more money you have coming out. Make sure that you have your debit card linked up. All these things will heighten and increase your chances of being able to borrow, okay? So let's say you don't have all your money, when it's scheduled to, take it out. Cash App is being gracious, and they're giving us a 1 week grace period, okay? So that is good, okay? So a payday falls, something happens, or little Timmy needs something extra school that he did not let you know about in advance, whatever the case may be, there's a 1 week grace period and only a 1.25% finance charge, okay? Because they're giving you extra time. So, c'est la vie, okay? Now, this is how you'll repay it. Of course, it's, weekly payments, for 4 weeks, but this is how we repay, okay? Repayment will be either through your balance, which you have available already sitting there in the app, okay? So usually they just take a little percentage of what you have, sitting there. They don't take all of it and yank it out at one time, because then you'll be back in the hole, and then you'll need to reborrow from them and maybe, some more. All right. Next, they'll get it off of your debit card that you have linked to the app. And if you have more than one card linked to the app and one doesn't have it, they'll go to the other one, okay? So just be mindful of that. Don't go undoing your debit card that you have on file. Keep it on file, but just be smart about it, because if you on this channel of Budget and Savings with V, you are getting your money together. This is a daily process. Nobody's perfect. We're all trying to get it together, okay? Also, they'll also take money as you receive it. So let's say Bobo or Pookie, they owe you some money and they finally pay you back. Well, if you owe Cash App because you had to borrow, because Pookie borrowed from you and didn't pay you back on time, Cash App will get a small little percentage of that, okay? So those are really good ways, to repay back, and it's just small amounts. So let's say again that you borrow $100. Let's just say that. Okay, so the first week, it will be $25. The second week, $25. The third, $25, and the fourth, $25. But it's probably gonna be not probably, girl. It's gonna be a little higher because again, that $5 fee. So the $5 fee will be spread it over each payment. So it will not be like $30, then $25, $25. Okay, and don't forget about that 1.25 late fee, after the 1 week grace period, because they'll give you a grace period if you don't make that payment. Okay, but after that, it's 1.25 plus that 5%. So let's be smart about this. You say to the end just so you could get that bonus, huh? Don't just try to stay to the end, but I understand we are in a pandemic, honey, and everybody needs that money. Pandemic and needs that money. Okay? She thinks she can freestyle, but anyway, the guaranteed way that you can have the borrow feature is, drum roll please, girl, hurry up, is direct deposit. Yes, the direct deposit. So if you work, who don't work? Since you do work, or get some kind of check automatically. Then set up direct deposit. It doesn't have to be your whole direct deposit, so you can have like a small percentage going to Cash App. And think of it, Cash App, as like where you can save money, or out of sight, out of mind. Just a secret account that your spouse may not know about. Don't tell them I said that, but hey. So that can be for that feature, okay? But definitely direct deposit. I know you ain't subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. It tells me 60% of y'all are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification. I post every day, honey. I got things to say, and I want y'all to learn. So share this video with your friends and family. I will see you in the next one. Bye.